We have this really cool app that's called the Style Station app, and I want to walk you through it. That way you know the resources that you have right at your fingertips in order to use this color line more effectively and more confidently. So let me show you. First, go to the App Store and click Redken Style Station. Go ahead and hit download and open it as soon as it's done. This will take you to the main home screen where you can see all of the different options that we offer within the app. Let's choose the formula finder. Choose the line that you are using, your starting level, your percentage of gray, and your desired end level. It will then take you to a screen to determine your desired end tone, where you can choose from a range of different tonalities. Let's say I was wanting to choose brownstone. Click brownstone and it will give me the exact formulation that Redken recommends with the exact ratios and developer to use. Now let's choose the virtual try-on. Here you can try on different hair colors on either yourself or your client. That way they can see what color would look best on their skin tone before actually committing. Let's say if they're wanting to try on purple, or even let's say a copper tonality. They even have the option to go in and choose a color and see what it would look like if I had it in an ombre effect, a more grown out effect, or even a sombre effect. I think I like purple the best. Go back to the home screen and now choose resources. Here you will find all of the shade charts that we offer for every different line that we make. This will take you to our website where you can go in and download the shade chart. Press the button and it will take you to a bigger screen where you now have right at your fingertips the entire shade chart, every color we offer within that color line, the features and benefits, and the manufacturer's instructions. The other options you have are the education class schedule. This is going to take you to redkenpro.com where you can now look through our website and find all of the different resources that we have for you. We have education on demand where you can look at various videos on all different types of things within Redken. Hair color and texture, color correction, toning with Shades EQ, color gel lacquers formulation, flash lift bonder inside. The list goes on. There are so many different videos that you can use as a resource. We also have what I call a Redken newsletter. Anything that's going on within Redken around that time, you will be able to find on this website. This is a great resource for you and for your clients to stay up to date with Redken. The username that you use for Redken Pro will be the same username that you use for the Style Station app. I hope you liked that little tutorial on how to utilize our Redken Style Station app. I can't wait to see all the beautiful colors that you all create.